Welcome back to the Frigid Public Auto Auction. We're back here looking for more cars and trucks to bring to the channel. Let's start off with the 2016 Challenger. I believe it's a V6 though. It's the only downside, I guess. So a neat color. It's got claw marks, but it's a gorgeous metallic blue. 2016, 138,000. Couple small little dings here and there. Here's one. There's another one. Well, the hood's already popped, so let's take a look. So we got the 3.6 liter V. Oh boy. What is... Oh, that's oil. I don't know where it's coming from. I mean, the filter is up top here, isn't it? But I don't like to see that, so... Let's see if it starts. Bolsters are nice. It actually smells decent in here too. Interior's in good shape. We have juice. And on this cold day, starts up. Radio works, sounds good. Not greeted with lights that light up like a Christmas tree. The only concern with this one is the oil spilled all over the place in the engine compartment, but we'll put it on the list and keep an eye on it. I like the color. I don't like the engine size. All right, you know I like my Infiniti. What about a 2010, which is the older generation, QX56, I believe it is. Only 46,000 miles, but this paint is wasted, cracked, peeling off. Got the chrome wheels, but the paint all the way around. Got some dent work here. Again, paint all the way around the shot. So it doesn't matter what the mileage is. This won't go for a whole lot. We have some ankle knockers right there. Look at that. That can't be saved. It could be brought back a little bit, but that is all the way through to the color coat. I mean, it should be pretty clean. And it should be in good shape in the interior too, which it is. Just a little dry here on the leather. Very different from the QX80. More in line with the Nissan Armada. Well, let's see if we have some juice. I don't believe we do. There we do. I'll be damned. And look at that, 46,242. Starts right up. We've got to figure out what it's not happy about something. And I also hear a rattling noise. Could be just a shield on, it could be anything from just a shield on the exhaust to, well, who knows. Well, you know, I got to figure out every car that I jump into. I mean, this thing is loaded. I'll try and figure out what that what it's called. That could be anything from low tire pressure to low washer fluid. Who knows? Let's pop the hood. It should be a 5.6 liter. Okay, so as I said, this should still have the 5.6 liter V8, and it does. That looks good. Here, Brian, put that back in. All the other fluids look good. So mechanically, yeah, I mean, with only 46,000, this should be good to go. But with this paint, guys, we're not going to get it back. Maybe we can get it back 50%. Maybe I'll pick it up just to see what I can do. All right. All right, still looking for pickup trucks. This is one on the list. This one needs a little help. Of course, you can see for a little front end damage, a little bit of surface rust, towed in a little bit, so it needs alignment. It's got some more issues. That caused a dent. Little dents for PDR, bigger dents. Towing package though, so we want to that is some sort of a rust treatment. So there was a little bit of worry under here. I don't see anything that's really alarming, but I'll keep looking. Other side. No, that's not good. More dings. Let's see what we have going on under here. All right, so we have the 4.7 liter V8. Please tell me at least somebody was taking care of it. Well, that's pretty dark. And a little low, but let's see if this thing has juice to start up. What does it look like under the cap? Well, moisture, so I don't like to see that, but let's start it anyway. Interior, well, dirty, ripped up, very dirty. No juice. Nope, key was left on. You know what that means. It probably runs pretty good. If the key's left on, somebody doesn't want you to have it. So if I can't get it started, I do have my jump unit. If I can't get it started, I will bid up, make sure somebody pays for it. Gives me a chance to warm up a little bit and explain some of the dirty tricks that I guess you can call them bid competitors out here like to do. They either hide the keys, steal them, or leave the keys on so the battery's dead, or they'll pull a wire under the hood, or they pull fuses and relays and a dash. What else? Some sneak OBD2 sensors in here, and trip circuits so you can't start it. All kinds of just stuff that pisses me off, especially if they find a vehicle that they don't want you to look into it any further, and maybe they think it deters you. It doesn't deter me and some of the other guys here. They'll just bid it up and make you pay for it anyways. So if you're thinking about doing something like that, nah, not a good idea. What about a 2014 Lexus, only 151,000, just broken in? Is this the 450? Yeah, this is the RX 450H. So it is personalized with the cherries all over the place. We would have to wet sand that off. Some sort of an origin, but it's in great shape. It has the gorgeous pearl, white pearl. And since the hood's already cracked, go ahead and open that up. I have my partner here for, oh, plastic. Hybrid. I don't like hybrid drives, so close the hood, full pass. But anyways, somebody will like it because it has a gorgeous interior. Look at that. Kind of the cherry wood. But I'm going to pass. So here is a gorgeous IS250. That's definitely going on the list if it sounds good. It's 2015, 115,000 miles. A little bit of curb rash here and there. Got a little bit of, yeah, you can see that. Some body work done there. Sweet interior, but definitely needs to be cleaned.
Got some room in the back.
This is nice. Hey.
I'm just trying to escape the weather.
Yeah,
I
this
can't stand the cold.
Pennsylvania sucks when it comes to weather. Nobody moves here for the weather. We got winter for 6 months, and then a quick spring, a quick fall, and then high humidity for the summer. Ooh, starts up. Starts up, sounds good. Not too many lights on, just the TPI. In the gear. Oh yeah, immediately. I mean, it doesn't really look roughed up in any way. It's just dirty. Inspected through next year. That's what I like to see. Let's look under the hood quick. This is going on the list. All right. Pop it open, kiddo. All right. Can't see too much. That's stick. Yeah. This is definitely taken care of. As it should be. Here, put that back in. All right. Yeah, we're definitely going to put that one on the list. That's a good looking car. And here we have another IS250. This one a year older, a year or two older, but less miles with only 88,000. A nice radiant silver. Wheels curved to hell. Looks straight, so yeah, if the interior's in good shape, that'll be 2 of them to look for. That looks good. Yeah, these things have such a nice interior. Different than what I'm used to. Running. Sounds good. Grabs right away, reverse. You know, it'd be nice if they put a strip over there somewhere where you can take this and at least get up to 30 and see if it shifts, 30 or 40 or 50. They have plenty of room. That would be great. Okay, so for today we have 2 Lexus, an Infiniti, and a pickup or 2 that I'm going to be keeping an eye on, and maybe we'll bring something to the channel. Here from a cold day in Pennsylvania at the public auto auction. I wish you guys a good day, and I'll catch you in the next video.